What's up? This is Exile. I have an unboxing on some stuff from Evite. I think I have like 2 or 3 guns in here. Bought one for my little brother. Well, when his birthday comes, I'll have it already. So first, I got a CO2 SP 2022 non-blowback pistol. I got another one. This is the gun that I have for him because I had one and I used it already, and it's really good actually for the price that they sell them for. And then they give you this little pamphlet with a code for free shipping and yeah. And then AMG Salient Arms International. Get it closer. Yeah. Put that over there. Then I bought a mystery box with comes with an armband, LED marker, and a GMP MK46 card. I already have one of these though. Then a patch that says fist bump. Then there's medium masks. Finally, one that fits me. They always send me size small ones. And then I won a prize of a Desert Eagle spring powered pistol. So this is a good box right here that I got. Good swag pack. And then some hand sanitizer. That's it for that. And then I have another weapons catch card. This is the Bolt Knights Armament SR47. I'll probably never buy it. And then the main thing is the Thompson military multi-rails concept 330 FPS submachine gun. It's like a $70 AEG. It shoots 330 FPS with .12, so probably around 280 with .2s. 0.7 joules, 55 yards range. Weighs almost 3.5 pounds. The length is 33 inches. Has hop up and it's electric. So nice tip on the bottom. Appreciate. So opening it, you get your manual first, and then it's taped on this side as well. So let me cut that off. And this is what you see when you first open the box. So you have to assemble it, or basically just slide the stock on the gun, and it's ready. So it comes with a 8.4 650 mAh battery, so it's pretty bad. A little bag of .12s. Sling. Feels pretty cheap. And then a wall charger. What? A wall charger, cheap wall charger. What happened? So going on with the unboxing, we have a plastic stock and the gun. So I'm guessing the stock is where the battery goes. I'm gonna open this little hatch. It has a little hatch in the back where you plug in the battery right there. And then it has like these things where I guess the power will, this is how the power will travel from the battery to the actual gun, is these things right here that it has. They'll connect, and then the electricity will flow through that. So that's kind of cool because if you can just have your battery plugged in, and then whenever you're ready to use the gun, just put the stock on the gun, and it's good to go. And it slides on. It doesn't come off. Yeah, it feels pretty sturdy on there. Yeah, it feels like 3 pounds. Everything's made out of plastic, except, you know what? There's not a single metal thing on this gun, guys. So everything is made out of polymer. Oh, I hate that noise. But it has a drum mag that you wind just by turning this wheel like that. And it's all made out of polymer as well. I think this holds like 500 BBs or something like that. And you insert it by, see this little tab right here? And that kind of just slides onto that rail right there. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. There. And it looks like that. Has a adjustable hop-up wheel right here. It has less and then more. You spin it up. And then to basically whenever you're holding the gun, or if you're shooting, or if you want to keep shooting, you just wind it like this with your left hand. You can just keep going while holding the trigger down, I guess, if you're full autoing. The charging handle does not work. It's stationary. And does have a working safe on this side. And then the fire selector right in front of it. Just like the real one. Has 2 different switches. Has a little rail on the front. And a sling mount right behind it. And then another sling mount behind over here on the stock. These are the sights. Yeah, it has the ring right here, and then the different one up here. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this unboxing. Has a little rail on top as well. I guess 20 millimeter. But that's it for this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.